Thank you for joining us today. Welcome to Heartland's presentation of our full suite of products in our payroll line. Let's take a look at all of the benefits Heartland can bring to your company. Logging on to Heartland's web-based platform instantly gives you access to processing information, payroll schedules, important announcements, and employee milestones. Heartland Payroll provides a single point of contact payroll specialist, saving you from repeating your story or hoping you get the same person you spoke with last time. Your single point of contact will keep you in touch with all of your Heartland support staff. The Links area provides payroll-related forms at your fingertips, like the I-9, new hire paperwork, and the Pay Advantage Visa application, which we will talk more about later in the presentation. Access external sites to utilize third-party providers for background checks and drug screening, or go directly to the government E-Verify site to handle your I-9s. Clients can click on the link for federal and state labor posters to order them at reduced rates. Clients who enroll for the payroll and HR platform will receive labor law posters and updates as part of the package at no additional cost. Entering a new hire has never been easier for an online user. Heartland takes care of all of your new hire reporting for W-2 employees and 1099 contractors. If you receive garnishments or child support orders, fax or email them into your single point of contact for implementation. Sometimes the calculations can become complex, and we want to ensure they are entered per the terms of the garnishment or order. The Employee Wizard allows you to enter required employee information. Starting with basic employee data, all areas with an asterisk are required for a new hire to be entered, even if the employee hasn't provided the necessary information yet. Take advantage of our free Social Security verification field to ensure the employee's name matches the number in the SSA database, preventing any unnecessary clerical work at year-end. Enter active employees' email addresses to provide employee access to the self-service area, where employees can view check stubs, W-2s, and a customizable HR employee landing page, either online or on their smartphones. The system will allow all pay types and frequencies, including hourly, salary, and 1099. If you are currently using accounting software to pay 1099 contractors, you can now process checks through the payroll portal, allowing Heartland to take care of year-end W-2s and 1099s. During the implementation process, our team will set up and enter all current year payroll information. Simply provide your implementation specialist with reports or provide access to your current payroll provider, and we'll handle the rest. Direct deposit information can be entered for each new employee with the ability to send pre-note test files ensuring accuracy. Switching to Heartland Payroll not only provides you and your employees with free direct deposit, but also the option to use the Pay Advantage Visa. This direct deposit pay card is at no cost to you or the employee and allows employees to withdraw their entire check amount from ATMs on payday with no card fee. The card can be used as a debit or credit card in conjunction with a direct deposit account. For employee applications, information, and a schedule of fees after the initial payroll withdrawal, refer to the links areas on the dashboard or reach out to your sales representative. Heartland's Pay Advantage Visa and direct deposit options help you save on shipping costs, go green, and provide additional perks to your employees. Set up departments and divisions, jobs, and job groups specific to your organization, providing the ability to notate specific jobs worked and corresponding pay rates earned during the pay period. Keeping track of PTO, vacation, or state-required sick plans can be time-consuming. Setting up the accruals in Heartland eliminates manual calculations, reduces errors, and allows employees to view their time accrued and used online. Whether you are calculating time accruals based on calendar year, fiscal year, anniversary date, or hours worked, our system can alleviate the need to track manually. Enter employee tax information based on employee-requested deductions. Entering an employee's address and zip code will populate local tax information, taking the guesswork out of local taxes and required geocodes. After the initial employee information has been entered, there may be a need to add additional information, such as EEO categories, workers' compensation codes, or pay increases. Select the pencil to add or edit information for each employee, all while viewing the employee's history. Once all employee information has been entered and any changes have been made, it's time to process payroll. If you are currently tracking your payroll data in a time clock or POS system, speak to your sales representative to see if your system is compatible with Heartland. Using a compatible system allows you to upload payroll data directly to our system, saving you time and reducing errors. If you are interested in a time clock or POS system, your sales representative will conduct a fact-finding consultation to determine which compatible system is a good fit. Heartland offers time tracking methods including web punching, electronic timesheets, Ethernet-based time clocks for PIN, badge, key fob, or biometric tracking with full integration availability. Our payroll grid is customizable. Just let us know if additional columns are needed for deductions, company-specific payments, or tips. Your single point of contact will create a time entry grid that meets your specifications for easy data entry. Select the plus symbol next to each employee to add additional rows to indicate different departments or pay rates in a pay period. There may be situations where you need to write an individual check, perhaps a bonus, or an employee has been terminated. Click on the symbol for individual time entry and cut a check directly from your location. Heartland can provide check stock. You can order 400 checks for approximately $30 directly from the dashboard. If you need assistance with individual time entry, you can always reach out to your single point of contact for assistance. Now that hours have been entered online or uploaded from a compatible time clock or POS system, it's time to preview your payroll. Previewing the payroll gives you the opportunity to make sure new employees have been entered and any possible errors can be corrected prior to processing. Open the Payroll Summary report to view payroll and tax totals, or select one of the reports available to see detailed information on your current payroll. Now that payroll has been reviewed, click on the Process Payroll button, and your single point of contact will let you know that payroll is ready to go. If employees have direct deposit or are using the Pay Advantage Visa, there's nothing else that needs to be done. Heartland can provide notification electronically that employee checks are ready to view, and employees can log on to their self-service account to view or print pay stubs anywhere they have an internet connection. Now that payroll has been processed, it's time to take a look at reports. Standard reports will populate for each payroll based on your company's specific needs. Reporting includes a wide variety of date range reports. For example, the ACA FTE report. This report shows full-time employees working 30 hours or more a week for the month or during a specific measurement period, calculating a full-time equivalent headcount, which is needed for Affordable Care Act reporting. If you are reporting for the ACA, let us know and we will provide access to the Heartland ACA portal. Once registered, all of your employee information will be pulled into the portal, allowing you to select the code, cost for a single person plan, and any safe harbor laws the company is participating in. Heartland will then populate 1094s and 1095s at year end. Additional date range reports include check histories, EEO-1 reporting, labor distribution, and the 300A summary for companies required to report to OSHA, just to name a few. Don't see what you need? Use Heartland's custom report writer to bring HR and payroll data together. Since the system is web-based, there's no need to print reports, as your historical reports will remain in the report archive. If your computer crashes, you are out of the office, or there is a power outage, all payroll reports will be safe and accessible anywhere you have an internet connection. Employees can benefit from Heartland services as well. Our user-friendly system provides the ability to view check stubs and W-2s online for active and terminated employees anywhere there's an internet connection. Self-service not only provides easy access to pay information, but when used in conjunction with the HR platform, employees can view important company information through the customizable employee landing page. This feature allows employees access to the new handbook our HR team customized specifically for your company, as well as schedules, policy updates, your organization's emergency plan, or even invitations to the company party. Customize this page with links, writable PDFs, Excel documents, or special messages to your team, allowing employees to sign in electronically and review information on demand. Heartland's HR platform not only allows tailored communication with your team, but additional tracking features to catalog employee data in the system. Customization is key in our HR platform. Start by tracking items such as awards, skills, education, and certifications. For example, the certification area tracks effective and expiration dates that can be used for anything from license information to benefit eligibility. Simply enter the titles of what you're tracking based on your company's needs and run reports from the date range reporting area. Track company assets, everything from cell phones to uniforms, with detailed information at your fingertips. Quickly, easily, and accurately monitor and report on company issue items throughout the year or when an employee leaves the company. Can your managers access emergency contact information on demand? Is the information locked in a file cabinet? Now, important emergency contact information can be accessed, allowing you and your managers access to their direct reports information if an emergency arises. The employee contact area also keeps track of eligible dependents, ensuring that employees are offered the correct benefit plans for employee benefits. The Experience tab houses areas to track training and prior employment, including any expenses that the company incurs for these purposes. The Incident tab provides the fields needed for completing unemployment documents and OSHA reporting. Disciplinary actions can be tracked using company-specific violations or point systems, allowing managers and supervisors to enter everything from verbal reprimands to final warnings on their direct reports. Keep track of accidents, injuries, or safety issues by adding all incidents to the system. This area offers the ability to populate required OSHA reports like the 300A or improve safety issues by keeping an active log of any incidents or accidents. Heartland's Performance Review area delivers the capability to schedule 90-day, annual, or improvement-based reviews and assign them to managers for their direct reports. Performance reviews offer complete customization of questions, rankings, and point systems. Managers can log on to their self-service accounts and view any upcoming reviews. Employees can log on throughout the year to view their goals and previous reviews. Reviews can be printed out with customized questions to assist with face-to-face performance evaluations and then saved back into the system. Let Heartland help you take care of all of your human resource needs. Simply click on Tools for single sign-on access to our team of certified HR professionals. Get answers to HR questions by using the Ask the Pro area. Submit questions in written form by calling the HR team directly to discuss complex employee issues, or download the mobile app and have your HR Pro on the go. Let our team customize important documents, including job descriptions, offer letters, and even disciplinary actions. Already have documents and policies in place? Great! Submit them to your team of experts for an HR review to ensure your existing company documents are up to date and HR compliant. If you have outsourced your handbook development or completed one yourself, you know that it can be both time-consuming and costly. Heartland HR will customize and complete your handbook to meet your company's specific needs, offering an optional review with the handbook team to become familiar with the new employee manual and make sure everything is correct. After joining Heartland, sign up for a free harassment prevention training available every quarter. No more searching for information on the internet, wondering if what you find is accurate or applies to this state in which you're doing business. Select the Topics tab and have current HR-compliant state and federal information immediately available. This area includes articles, documents, laws, and checklists, and is available anywhere you have an internet connection. Receive regular updates on changing laws through email so you can focus on your business while we update you on any HR changes coming your way. Whether you are new to the HR world or have been in the field for years, you know that things change frequently. Use the Learning tab to stay on top of these changes. Click Training on Demand to watch videos on everything from properly filling out I-9s to preparing your team for an emergency or disaster. Each HR training is recorded by one of our HR professionals and covers the most important human resources issues of the day, as well as simple steps you can take in your organization to address them. Don't have 20 minutes? Our 2-minute HR trainings serve up important HR topics in segments that you can watch in less time than it takes to drink a cup of coffee. So take a couple of minutes to learn some great HR basics, tips, and best practices. Browse our most recent trainings below, or filter them according to the HR topic you are most interested in. Stay on top of changing HR policies and best practices by viewing articles, infographics, and the HR News Desk regularly. Use the Document tab to access your complete library of forms, guides, and letters. All documents are customizable and highlight everything that needs to be personalized in red, while also providing HR-compliant wording. Add your company logo, save to your desktop, and have HR-compliant, customized forms at your fingertips. Don't have time to find what you need? Use the HR concierge to point you in the right direction. There are many HR resources available in this area to meet all of your compliance needs. Start with the confidential HR fitness test to find your company's strengths and weaknesses and receive recommendations for improvements. Heartland is not just payroll and HR services. We provide a full suite of product offerings to enhance your Heartland experience. Heartland helps employers like yourself significantly reduce the time, logistics, and paperwork of the new hire process by utilizing Heartland Hire. This integrated product allows you to streamline the entire onboarding process. All new hires are processed on one dashboard that is simple, fast, and paperless. Our onboarding tool gives you seamless integration and bank-level security optimized for potential employees' mobile devices. Optional subscription services with Heartland Hire include recruiting and applicant tracking to identify job candidates and manage the entire interview process. Identifying work opportunity tax credits on potential new hires up front through an automated process makes it easy to apply these valuable tax credits. If you are interested in starting a 401k, let your sales representative know. Using one of our third-party partners will give you the ability to use our 401k pay product. The system will populate a report that can be sent to the provider, and they will ACH or debit the amount from your bank, distributing it to each employee account based on the report, thus alleviating the need for cutting an additional check after payroll has been submitted. If you already have a 401k plan in place with a different provider, reach out to your sales representative to find out if you can take advantage of this automated service. For those of you using QuickBooks, Great Plains, or select Sage business products, let us know if you would like Heartland to create an electronic general ledger file matching your chart accounts and your preferred postings. This file will import your payroll data directly into your accounting software, saving you valuable time and reducing errors. In addition to the platforms shown here today, Heartland also provides full tax service, taking care of all of your quarterly and annual tax requirements. We provide free direct deposit, the Pay Advantage Visa, third-party agency checks, multiple divisions and department allocations, multiple pay rate calculations, single sign-on ability for multiple tax IDs, new hire reporting, W-2 and 1099 preparation, 1094 and 1095 filing for the Affordable Care Act. Customizable access levels allow team members to utilize the system based on their current roles, with the ability to block wages, Social Security numbers, and banking information while still providing access to departments, divisions, or individual employees. You can also grant third parties, such as CPAs or insurance brokers, access to company reports on demand. Thank you for considering Heartland as your payroll and HR provider and partner. We look forward to working with your organization to take the pain out of HR and payroll so you can focus on what you do best, running your business.